Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for geometry. Well, our exercise is as follow. We consider the figure as its side such that we have a rectangle ABCD and the straight line EH is perpendicular to the straight line BD at point H and intersect the segment DC at point E. And we also have it AB equals to AD. So the questions is as follow. Calculate DH divided by DE. Always before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. Now we have the right angle triangle ABD at point A. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, BD square equals AB square plus AD square equals 2AD all square plus AD square equals 4AD square plus AD square. Therefore, BD square equals 5AD square. So square root of BD square equals square root of 5AD square. Therefore, BD equals square root of 5AD. We call this inequality 1. We have that the two straight line EB and BC are parallel and the straight line BD intersect then. So the angles EBD and BDC are equal. Therefore, EBD equals BDC. Suppose alpha equal EBD and BDC. In the triangle EBD, we have cos alpha equals AB divided by BD. And in the triangle DHE, we have cos alpha equals DH divided by DE. So EB divided by BD equals DH divided by DE. Therefore, DE divided by DH equals BD divided by EB equals from 1, we conclude that square root of 5 times AD divided by 2AD, and therefore DH divided by DE equals square root of 5 divided by 2. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.